break it. Yeah. The time to change. Got my nigga grip, recover. Listen close, listen this. Yeah. Them I call it murderer. Them I call it murderer. Them I call it murderer. Now watch the people run when they hear the sound of a gun. It's a murderer. Them I call it murderer. Them I call it murderer. Now watch the people run when they hear the sound of a gun.
People say that a canine's a man's best friend, but nowadays AKs and 9s are a man's best friend. Niggas will settle the beef, get their money in the streets, rat-a-tat to your body, here comes the white sheets. The gun culture is in full effect now. Niggas pulling texts out just to get respect. Malcolm X, he was shot back then. Abraham Lincoln was shot in the brain while he was still thinking. Kurt Cobain grabbed the gun by the handle, put it to his brain, bullet in the chamber, pulled the trigger, blam. John F. Kennedy was riding with his top down, waving at the people in Dallas, Texas, he was shot down. Martin Luther King had a dream, equality and unity. It's obvious his killers had another scheme. Ronald Penza found slain in his home, and I gotta tell you, man, I feel the pain in the soul.
Them I call it murderer. Them I call it murderer. Now watch the people run when they hear the sound of a gun. It's a murderer. Them I call it murderer. Them I call it murderer. Now watch the people run when they hear the sound of a gun.
Pac and Biggie got murdered by the gun. Back in the day, this hip-hop was just a lot of fun, but nowadays when the beef escalates, people pull out guns and make your soul levitate. John Lennon was a victim too. He was approached by a fan close range when that whistle blew. Marvin Gaye got slain on his birthday. His dad was the trigger man. He done turned it to his worst day. They had some kind of altercation. His father lost patience. He pulled out the gun and straight laced him. Che Guevara got shot like an animal. Siberian and Golden too, shot like an animal.
Them I call it murderer. Them I call it murderer. Now watch the people run when they hear the sound of a gun. It's a murderer. Them I call it murderer.
This is an NBC News
Them I call it murderer.
Here is Don Hickman in
Now watch
Memphis.
the people run when they hear the sound of a gun.
Outside of Memphis Motel this afternoon. His condition is not known at this time.
Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was killed by a rifle bullet fired from a flophouse across the street.
If people had guns in the Bible days, I promise you, man, that Cain would have probably used a gun on his brother Abel. In Genesis 4 verse 8 would have read different. I came to spit that real knowledge, what the game's missing. Wezzy Kaunda got killed, and KK was grazed by a bullet. Thank God he survived that. And 50 Cent got shot 9 times. When you think about it, man, he must have lost his 9 lives right there. But he survived and bounced back, and I hope he thanks God for bringing him right back. Cause most people never make it. There's places in the world if you ain't got a gun, you feel naked. Just look at all the genocides in Rwanda and Sierra Leone. When will the violence cease, man? Just look at all the genocides in Iraq and the rest of the world. Will the violence cease? Rest in peace to Big L.
Them I call it murderer.
Proof.
Them I call it murderer.
Rest in peace to my man Amara.
When they hear the sound of a gun, it's a murder.
Just Lumumba.
Them I call it murder.
Diallo.
Them I call it murder.
Steve Biko.
Now watch the people run when they
All
hear
the
the
freedom
sound of
fighters,
a gun.
man. People that were shot and killed stance against apartheid. Know what I mean? All we wanted was unity, man.